Finding the perfect blender doesn't have to be expensive. Best value personal blender options combine performance, convenience, and affordability for everyday use. In this video, we'll explore top picks that deliver excellent results without breaking the budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Nutribullet 600-Watt Value Personal Blender. The Nutribullet 600-Watt Value Personal Blender is one of the most recognizable and trusted personal blenders available today. Designed to simplify healthy living, this compact blender offers an excellent balance of performance, convenience, and affordability. Whether you're making breakfast smoothies, post-workout protein shakes, or nutritious fruit and vegetable drinks, the Nutribullet 600 is built to deliver reliable results with minimal effort. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, and office spaces where counter space is limited. At the heart of this blender is a powerful 600-watt motor that efficiently processes fruits, vegetables, and liquids into smooth beverages. Despite its relatively compact size, the motor delivers impressive blending performance, turning ingredients like strawberries, bananas, spinach, blueberries, and other produce into smooth, drinkable nutrition. The blender is designed to help users consume more fruits and vegetables by making healthy drinks quick and convenient to prepare. One of the most appealing features of the Nutribullet 600 is its simple operation. There are no complicated controls, digital displays, or multiple speed settings.
Number 2. Nutribullet 1200-Watt Value Personal Blender. The Nutribullet 1200-Watt Value Personal Blender is designed for users who want more power, improved blending performance, and premium features in a compact personal blender. Featuring a high-performance 1200-watt motor, this blender easily handles frozen fruits, ice, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and other challenging ingredients. It delivers smoother textures, faster blending times, and more consistent results compared to lower-powered models, making it ideal for smoothies, protein shakes, meal replacements, and nutrient-rich beverages. One of the most notable advantages of this blender is its powerful yet refined operation. While many high-powered blenders produce significant noise, Nutribullet engineered this model with specialized technology that generates lower-frequency sound. This results in a quieter blending experience without sacrificing performance. Users can prepare drinks early in the morning or late at night with less disruption to family members or roommates. The sleek and modern design also deserves attention. Its streamlined profile occupies minimal counter space while adding a contemporary look to any kitchen. The innovative glow interface activates when the blending cup is attached to the power base, instantly illuminating the available blending options. Users can select an automated smoothie cycle for hands-free convenience or use the pulse function for greater control over texture and consistency. Another standout feature is the use of Triton Renew blending cups. These durable cups contain 50% certified recycled material. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Value Personal Blender. The Ninja Foodi Value Personal Blender is a versatile and powerful blending system designed for users who want more than just basic smoothie-making capabilities. Equipped with a powerful 1200 peak watt smart torque motor, this blender is engineered to handle thick ingredients and heavy blending loads without stalling. Whether you're creating smoothies, smoothie bowls, frozen drinks, nut butters, sauces, or healthy desserts, the Ninja Foodi delivers exceptional performance and flexibility. Its combination of intelligent technology and premium construction makes it one of the most capable personal blenders available. One of the standout features of this blender is the smoothie bowl maker attachment. Unlike many personal blenders that require large amounts of liquid to blend thick ingredients, the Ninja Foodi can process dense mixtures using less liquid. The included 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker features a built-in tamper that helps push ingredients toward the blades for smoother and more consistent results. This allows users to create thick smoothie bowls, homemade nut butters, frozen yogurt, and blender ice cream with ease. The 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup is equally impressive. It is specifically designed to break down fruits, vegetables, seeds, and other nutritious ingredients into smoother drinks. By improving ingredient breakdown, the blender helps unlock vitamins and nutrients from whole foods, making it easier to enjoy healthy beverages. Whether you're preparing a morning smoothie or a post-workout shake, the extraction cup provides excellent blending performance. Another major advantage is the blender's 6. Number 4. Abuler 20-ounce Value Personal Blender. The Abuler 20-ounce value personal blender is a compact yet surprisingly powerful blender designed for busy individuals who want fast, convenient, and reliable blending performance. Despite its small size, this personal blender features a powerful motor capable of delivering up to 1,200 watts of peak power. This impressive performance allows it to handle tough ingredients such as ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and vegetables with ease. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, fruit juices, baby food, or sauces, the Abuler blender provides smooth and consistent results in just seconds. One of the most impressive aspects of this blender is its upgraded 6-leaf blade assembly. Made from premium food-grade 304 stainless steel, the blades are designed for durability, efficiency, and long-lasting performance. The sharp blade system easily crushes ice and breaks down hard ingredients while producing smooth, lump-free blends. Its strong construction helps resist rust, wear, and corrosion, ensuring dependable performance even with regular use. Health-conscious users will appreciate the blender's BPA-free construction. The cups and accessories are made from food-safe materials that help ensure safe beverage preparation. The included recipe guide provides inspiration for creating healthy smoothies, nutritious drinks, and other homemade recipes. This makes it easier for users to maintain a healthy lifestyle while enjoying delicious beverages every day. Portability is another major advantage of the Abuler 20-ounce value personal blender. The package includes 2 portable 20-ounce cups.
Number 5. Colarlemo 32-ounce value personal blender. The Colarlemo 32-ounce value personal blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed for individuals who want fast, convenient, and efficient blending performance without spending a fortune. Equipped with a high-performance 1,200-watt motor capable of reaching speeds up to 25,000 RPM, this personal blender delivers impressive power for a wide range of blending tasks. Whether you're preparing smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, baby food, sauces, dips, or even grinding coffee beans, the Colarlemo blender provides reliable and consistent results every time. Its powerful motor ensures ingredients are blended quickly and smoothly, helping users save time while enjoying healthier homemade beverages and meals. One of the standout features of this blender is its upgraded 6-leaf blade system. Constructed from premium food-grade 304 stainless steel, the blades are thicker, stronger, and more durable than many standard blender blades. This enhanced design allows the blender to crush ice effortlessly, process frozen fruits, blend tough vegetables, and break down hard ingredients within seconds. The efficient blade assembly helps maximize nutrient extraction from fruits and vegetables, making it easier to create nutritious drinks for the whole family. Another major advantage of the Colarlemo 32-ounce value personal blender is its versatile cup selection. Unlike many personal blenders that include only a single blending cup, this model comes with 3 different cup sizes: 23 ounces, 32 ounces, and 37 ounces. This flexibility allows users to prepare everything from single servings to larger portions, depending on their needs. The cups feature convenient measurement markings that help with accurate ingredient preparation, while their durable construction provides resistance.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.